back to my channel. Hope you're having a great day, great night. Today I'm going to be going over a little Valentine's makeup look. Isn't it cute and princessy and pinky? On Valentine's Day, you can see I got my little heart little bun thing here going and got some pink on. So I'm really excited. Before we get into the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know what else you want to see. Okay, let's get right into this. Alright, to start out, I prep my face with just washing it with water in a rag and then putting on a little bit of coconut oil around my eyes. So I'll start out with using Bare Minerals powder foundation in the shade Fairly Light. So I'm just gonna rub this in very lightly. I don't like to do I don't like it very thick, and so if you want it thicker, you put more on, but if you just want like a light layer, then you just do it really thin. So the more you blend it in like this, like circular motion, the more it will go in. So I don't like a lot, I don't like it very thick, and so I'm just doing a very, very thin layer over my face, and then so I'm gonna do that. Alright, so once I do that, I just take the Airspun face powder and translucent in the color Translucent Extra Coverage. I love doing this. It works with any shade. It works with any shade. Remove the oils and then just kind of blend it in so your face is nice and smooth. Alright, so after that, I'm just using the Tarteist Pro Glow palette. I'm just using this, and I'm just gonna do a little contouring. So I like take the bottom, so this one right here you can see, and it's a lighter one, so and I'm not that dark, so I use this one. Go right along the bottom of your cheekbone, and do a little along on the a little bit on the side of the noses. The noses on your nose. And so just hurry and blend this in a little bit. Hurry? Why are we hurrying? I don't even know. Okay, do know. But alright, and then I just take another brush and I just kind of blend it in along the sides of my face, just to kind of get a little darker look and kind of get a little more definition. And then also along the chin. So you just go along and do that. Blend a little bit at the top. And you really don't need that much. You'd rather do less than a lot, especially with bronzer, or it looks very fake. Alright, so then for a blush, I'll just take the lighter blush here of this palette and then just lightly go over my cheeks. And you don't need very much. Same thing with blush. You'd rather have too little than too much, because blush looks fake. So once you kind of have your little desired look and that's on, we're gonna go into eyebrows. Now everyone's eyebrows are a little bit different in how you style them. I like to fill them in with just actually from eyeshadow, and I like to go darker. So I first just shape my brows, and then I use the Maybelline New York Made for Mocha eyeshadow, and I like this color just to fill them in. For this one, I just take a small slanted brush, and I just come here at the very bottom of my eyebrow and just bring it along, and then I slowly bring it down, and then just kind of keep shaping it up, and then I just kind of keep shaping it up until I like how it looks. Okay, so once you've got your eyebrows, we're gonna go into the eyeshadow. Alright, so from here we're taking the Pure Festival eyeshadow mix, Wild Child one, and taking this and just rubbing it along my bottom. Now this looks very, very bold, but we'll blend it in as you'll see, and then it will be fine. So just bring it out a tiny little bit, so a little bit above the crease. Alright, so after we got that little pink there, I'm going to take this top, it's like this one that's called Pieced, and I'm just going to rub it up along right above the top of the crease, and then bring it down a tiny little bit. And this one's kind of give it more of a rose gold look up above. So blend that in just very lightly. We don't want to take away from that very bold pink we got, but you still kind of want it there. Okay, so from here we're just going to take this little sunset color down here and just slowly kind of rub in the top. So you're going to try that you're just kind of blending it all in the top here. The rest of your eye is just filled in. And we'll just bring it into the middle a little bit until it's all kind of like blended in nicely. And if you want to, you can always come back with the sunset, or you can always come back with the Pieced and kind of blend that in, just get a little darker look. Okay, so from here, I'm just going to take a little bit of the Free Spirit, bring it in here into the middle, just kind of lighten up the middle. And then for the fun part. Okay, so with taking a brush that's a little stiffer, I'm going to take the Fireworks and just rub it into this part that's bright pink. And don't get too much. It'll look a lot better if you just keep it on the bottom. And you don't even need to do it all the way. You can just bring it up most of the way, and then you'll be good. Alright, so this is the part if there's any fallout, I like just come along the bottom of my eye and then also come up here to the middle so you don't have such a defined line there. Just like blend it in a little bit. Make sure you get all the fallout. And then I come back with the Tardius palette and I'll be using the bronzer there, the lighter bronzer you can see that I've used a lot of because I love it. So I'll take a little brush here, go right along the middle, do a little T, and then I'll come in with this little feathered brush and do the top of the cheekbone. Also do along the bottom. So this is part 2 where I'll come back with my bronzer, and I don't put any more on it, but I like just kind of blend it in a little bit, and then you have a nice little look there. Okay, so now on to mascara. Just kidding, I don't say it. Does anyone say mascara? Is it mascara, mascara? Okay, so this is where I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'll rub on the top lash, doing a little on the bottom, then top again, back and forth, and then I'll go this side, do that, and then come to this side and just do the top again. Alright. Alright, so after you have the mascara on, we're gonna go into lipstick. So I'm using the long-lasting liquid lipstick from Ofra, and I'll just put a little bit on this. I'm really horrible at like putting it on both sides, so I usually just rub it on one and then smooth into the other, but I'm gonna attempt to do both separate to make it look cooler, but like make it look better, but we'll see how good I am at that. Alrighty, so you get your lipstick and then you are good to go with your Valentine's makeup look. I hope you like it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share this video, and let me know below what else you want to see from me because I can do makeup, all this other fun stuff, so let me know.